Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, we can resume the questions from 21. So question number 21. Diphtheria antitoxin is a preparation containing the specific antitoxic globulins or their derivatives obtained by purification of hyperimmune serum or plasma obtained from. The options are option A, healthy horses, option B, healthy dogs, option C, healthy mice, option D, healthy frogs. So the correct option is option A, healthy horses. Next question number 22. Drag-and-drop reagent is prepared from. Option A, saturated tannic acid solution. Option B, potassium iodide and bismuth nitrate. Option C, saturated picric acid solution. Option D, saturated gelatin solution. The correct option is option B, potassium iodide and bismuth nitrate. Then question number 23. Numerous parasitic stomata are present in the powder of option A, senna, option B, datura, option C, clove, option D, noxomica. The correct option is option A, senna. The other drugs has datura has anisocytic stomata, clove has ranculaceous stomata. So noxomica is known for its lignified trichomes. Then 24. Which compound of ergot is used as a specific analgesic in treatment of migraine? Option A, ergotamine maleate. Option B, ergometrin maleate. Option C, ergotamine tartrate. Option D, ergocristin. The correct option is option C, ergotamine tartrate. So ergometrin injection is used in the active management of the third stage of labor and in the treatment of postpartum hemorrhage. Then ergocristin can relax the peripheral vessels leading to hypotension. Question number 25. Which of the following is employed to prevent darkening or browning of eggs plant in culture? Option A, natural complex extracts. Option B, phytohormones. Option C, antioxidants and adsorbents. Option D, amino acids. The correct option is option C, antioxidants and adsorbents. Then question number 26. One of the following is not used in surface sterilization process in plant cell culture. Identify it. Option A, gamma radiation. Option B, sodium hypochlorite. Option C, hydrogen peroxide. Option D, benzalkonium chloride. The correct option is option A, gamma radiation. Then question number 27. Which of the following is a micronutrient in plant tissue culture media? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, sulfur. Option C, magnesium. And option D, manganese. The correct option is manganese. So we know that other options like nitrogen, sulfur, magnesium are macronutrients. Then question number 28. In plant cell culture, the differentiate into shoot and root are achieved by providing appropriate levels of option A, cytokinins and gibberellins. Option B, micro and macronutrients. Option C, auxins and cytokinins. Option D, auxins and gibberellins. The correct option is option C, auxins and cytokinins. Auxins induces the shoot formation. Cytokinins can also induce shoot and root formation. Then question number 29. Explain in plant tissue culture refers to. Option A, tissue used for subculture from previously cultured cells. Option B, any part of the plant that is used to establish a new culture. Option C, whole seed used to initiate culture. Then option D, the entire plant. The correct option is Option B, any part of the plant that is used to establish a new culture. Then question number 30. In batch fermentation, the initial concentration of sugars should be limited to option A 11%, option B 12%, option C 13%, option D 14%. The correct option is option B 12%. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.